Good day. I'm Doug Nemecek, psychiatrist and chief medical officer for behavioral health at Cigna. We're all living through some amazing times, apart but together. As a psychiatrist, I think about the emotional health and wellness of myself and my family and loved ones every single day. There's a lot of answers out there, but how do we know what questions we should be asking? Today I'm going to talk about a few questions that you can ask your family, friends, and loved ones to check in on them, identify loneliness, and help build positive memories during this time of social distancing. One of the first questions to think about might be to ask somebody, what are your goals? What would you like to accomplish during this time? While we're at home, we have time available that we maybe didn't have before. These are great opportunities to look at trying to accomplish something and setting a goal to do something with that extra time. Maybe we want to learn how to cook a new dish. Maybe there's something that we want to do around the house, a project that we haven't been able to get to before. These times give us those opportunities. Setting goals helps us focus on the future and builds our self-worth and confidence when we achieve those goals and accomplish those goals. Another way to build our own self-worth is to achieve something and set some goals to help others. When we help others, we also feel much better about ourselves and about our own future as well. So setting goals, helping others, and achieving those goals can help us stay focused and positive during these times of social distancing. Keeping focused on the future for you and your family will help everyone to be more hopeful. A second question to think about asking is, what brings you joy during these times? What makes you happy, or what are you grateful for during these times? Being grateful and having gratitude is associated with feeling more positive and hopeful for the future as well. For example, one of the things that I'm grateful for during this time that I have to be sheltered at home and working from home is that I get to spend a lot more time with my two grown sons who are also forced to be stuck at home during these times. Sharing conversations, sharing time, sharing experiences, and just having the opportunity to spend extra time with them that I might not have otherwise had the chance to makes me happy and is one of the things that I'm very grateful for during this time. Gratitude is really a key to happiness, and so focusing on what you can be grateful for every day and what's bringing you joy will help you to be more hopeful and positive about the future. And then sharing your gratitude with others also helps you to share that gratitude and build connections with others as well. Having an attitude of gratitude is one way to look at that during these difficult times that we're all facing. A third question to ask your friends and family is, how often are you connecting by phone or by video with the people in your life? We know that it's important to maintain connections if we want to feel better about ourselves and be healthier. Cigna's own research has shown that people who have better and more frequent, meaningful connections with other people are healthier and feel less lonely. So it's important in these times when we're not able to go out in public, we're not able to meet in groups, that we leverage the technologies that are available to us in the right way to make those connections and keep having those meaningful connections with other people. Video certainly helps more than just the phone as well, because when we're able to see each other, it helps us feel like we're that much more closer, even if we're not able to be in the same room or the same place with them at that time. So making sure that we pay attention to our connections, build those connections, and leverage the technologies available to us to maintain those connections is really helpful, will help us build our emotional resilience and help us be healthier for the future. So these are three questions that all of us can think about asking our friends and families and coworkers. These will help us identify loneliness, help us build emotional resilience, help us build happiness, and help us build positive memories during these turbulent times. Thank you for your time today. Never more than now has it been this important for us to pay attention to our emotional health and to ask others these questions so that we're checking in on them to prevent problems with loneliness that they may face as well. And for more information and resources, please visit us at cigna.com/COVID-19.